Hey guys, it's cauliflower season and I want to share with you one of my favorite appetizer or side dish recipes, depending on how hungry you are, Korean cauliflower. Ready on your table in 30 minutes? I don't know, it's so delicious, who cares? All right, let's make this Korean cauliflower. One of my family's favorite side dishes. Super easy, let me tell you what we need. I need 1 head of cauliflower. I need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm gonna show you a little trick because we need it melted. Rice vinegar, just a teaspoon of that. Tablespoon of soy sauce. I need a couple tablespoons of honey. Natch, I'm using the Savannah bee honey. Not an endorsement, David. Ted's just a friend of mine.
It's good honey.
I love it, it's good. And then the star of the show is Korean gochujang. Korean gochujang. And gochujang is Korean, like a red chili paste, but it has a really sweet and savory and spicy kick to it. I don't think it's that hot, but I like a little bit of heat. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up our head of cauliflower into, I like to do it into bite-sized pieces, not too small. But here's the trick first, David. We're gonna toss it in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And my coconut oil is solid, like most people. But instead of like melting it on the stove, I'm just gonna put it out on my baking sheet, right? Are you with me here?
I'm with you.
A couple tablespoons out on the baking sheet. I already have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. So this is gonna be smoking hot. We are roasting this cauliflower. Check this out, I'm gonna put it in just for a second to melt the coconut oil. Get it? Like, how great is that? But don't leave it in too long because you don't wanna like burn your hands. So how about we just move this over and work on this. And let's just get some nice bite-sized pieces.
Ooh.
Right? Check that out. So I'm just gonna put my cauliflower down. Like, that piece is way too big. I don't bother like using a knife with this. I just use my hands. So yes, you might say, oh geez, when I have this cauliflower out in other places, it's fried, and I'm not doing it that way. I like to bake mine just a little bit healthier, just like a wee bit. And I think you still get that nice crunch. So then we're just gonna toss that with that coconut oil that we've melted on our pan. Then it's gonna go in our 450 degree oven, and it's gonna go in for 15 minutes. And you're gonna be like, Libby, it's not gonna be done in 15 minutes. No, it's not, because we're gonna make our sauce, toss it in the sauce, and then put it back in the oven to roast for the final 15 minutes. So really it has about 30 minutes total in the oven. So there we go. First part, done. All right, while the cauliflower's in the oven roasting, let's make the sauce. The sauce consists of, David, what is it?
Gochujang.
Gochujang! A 1/3 cup of the gochujang. That's a 1/2 of a cup, so bear with me. I got a little aggressive on that. And then I have 2 tablespoons of honey. So the gochujang is already a little bit sweet, but we're gonna add just a little bit more sweetener, and this honey gives it a nice caramelization when it goes back in the oven. It'll get all, you know, like burnt sugar and Soy sauce, we need a tablespoon of soy sauce. So obviously with all of this sodium, we're not adding extra salt, we don't need it. There's plenty of heat from the gochujang. You don't need it to add in pepper, anything like that. And then finally a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Like, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is all there is to this delicious sauce. Now, here's a tip. I should have said this from the beginning. I've gotten out a large bowl Why? Because I'm gonna take all the cauliflower that's been roasted and put it in the big bowl. If I mix this in a small bowl, then I'd have to dirty up another bowl. But this way, I'm mixing up my sauce. As soon as the first round of roasting is done, I'll toss all that in. We're gonna coat it, and then boom, put it back on the baking sheet and back in the oven.
Delicious.
Yeah, I'll taste that. Woo! It's got a little heat. Taste it. Woo! So they're just starting to get going. Look at that. So here's the deal. You're gonna put all these. If you line your pan, a lot easier to get them all out. It smells so good with the coconut oil.
It really does smell good, yeah.
So I'm gonna just toss all these in my sauce. Put my foil back down on. And then we're just gonna toss it all together and coat all of that cauliflower with the sauce. I'm gonna pour it back on the tray. Get the last of that goodness out. It's a lot. Like, I don't care that it's all just kind of everywhere too. It'll get all caramelized. Spread it out evenly. Now it's going to go back in the oven for 15 minutes, still staying at your 450 degrees. Let's get it. It smells and looks delightful. All right, so that took about 10 more minutes than usual. I think because I left some of the pieces so big. If you did not leave them that big, it would definitely be done in 15 minutes. But mine took about 25 minutes. I'm gonna garnish it with a little scallion. I like the kind of the earthy bite of the scallion along with all that sweet and hot gorgeousness. Look at that. There you go.
I mean, it smells so good.
I love the crunchy part at the top. Yes, you could fry this, but why? Why? A little bit of the scallion on top, and we have a little bit of Korean cauliflower as a side or an appetizer. Like, I love this for an appetizer. Oh wow.
Is it good? Spicy?
The palm alarm fire.
Ooh!
No, that is so good. I could eat this entire bowl. Forget the other 4 people. It's so good.